Hello and welcome to my new video. In this video, I will explain the release management, which is an operational module of ITSM. It includes overview, process, benefits, and best practices. So let's start with overview. ServiceNow release management is a structured approach within the ServiceNow IT service management, so designed to manage the planning, scheduling, and controlling of software and hardware release through different stages and environments. The primary goal of release management is to ensure that new or changed services are effectively delivered to the user with minimal disruptions to existing services. Centralized records in ServiceNow that captures all detail related to a release, including scope, objectives, timelines, and stakeholders, are known as release records. Release records act as a single source of truth for managing all aspects of a release, ensuring transparency and accountability. Then release calendar. A calendar view within ServiceNow that displays all planned releases and their timelines. It provides visibility into release schedules, helping to avoid conflicts and manage dependencies across different releases. And post-release review. A review process conducted after the release to evaluate its success and identify any issues or areas for improvement. It provides feedback to improve future release and ensure that lessons learned are documented and incorporated into the release process. ServiceNow ITSM release management is a critical function that helps organizations manage and coordinate software release effectively. It ensures that new features, improvements, and bug fixes are delivered to production environment with minimal disruptions to services. Then process. The process of release management includes release planning and scheduling, development and testing, deployment and implementation, post-release review and closure. Release planning and scheduling. In this stage, we define the scope and objectives of the release, plan the release timeline, including development, testing, and deployment phases. Coordinate with stakeholder to ensure alignment with business goals. Then development and testing. Manage the developments of new features, bug fixes, and improvements. Conduct thorough testings to ensure the quality and stability of release. Use automated testing and continuous integration, continuous deployment tools to streamline the process. Then deployment and implementation. Plan the deployment activities including resource allocation and rollback strategies. Execute the development with minimal downtime and disruptions. Validate the success of deployment and ensure the new features are working as expected. Then post release review and closure. Conduct a post release review to evaluate the success and identify any issues or areas for improvement. Document lessons learned and update release policies and practices accordingly. Close the release record once all tasks are completed and stakeholders are satisfied. Then benefits. ServiceNow release management offers a multitude of benefits that significantly improve the efficiency, quality, and reliability of software and hardware releases. Improve coordination. All release related activities are coordinated from a single platform, providing a unified view of release lifecycle. This centralization ensures that all teams involved in the release process development, testing, operations, and business units have access to the same information. It enhances communication and collaboration, reducing the chances of misalignment and miscommunication. Releases are planned and executed in line with organizational priorities. By integrating release planning with business objectives, ServiceNow ensures that new features and updates support strategic goals, delivering maximum value to the organization. Then reduce risks. Comprehensive testing reduces the likelihood of defects reaching the production environment. Automated and manual testing processes within the ServiceNow help identify and fix issues early in the release cycle. This proactive approach minimizes the risk of significant post deployment problems. Ensure that all releases follow approved change procedures, reducing the risk of unauthorized changes. By adhering to established change management protocols, releases are vetted and approved systematically, ensuring compliance and mitigating potential risks associated with the unplanned changes. Then increased efficiency. Automation reduces manual effort and speed up the release process. Tools for continuous integration, continuous deployment, automated testing, and deployment streamline the process, allowing team to focus on higher value activities and reducing the potential for human error. Then standardization processes. Consistency in release activities leads to predictable and repeatable outcomes. Standardized workflows and procedures ensure that each release follows a predefined process, improving efficiency and reliability across the release lifecycle. Then enhance visibility. Stakeholders have up-to-date information on the status and progress of release. Dashboard, reports, and release calendars provide real-time data, enabling stakeholders to track the release progress, identify bottlenecks, and make informed decisions promptly. Better understanding of how releases affect the IT environment and business operations. Integration with the configuration management database allows for the detailed impact analysis, helping to assesses how changes will affect different parts of the infrastructure and services, leading to more informed and strategic planning. Then best practices of release management. Implementing best practices in ServiceNow release management ensures that releases are efficient, low risk, and aligned with business objectives. So here are some best practices to follow. Define clear roles and responsibility. Clearly describe roles and responsibility for everyone involved in the release process. Establish roles such as release manager, developers, testers, change managers, and business stakeholders. Ensure each team member understands their tasks and responsibilities to avoid overlap and ensure accountability. Maintain comprehensive documentation. Keep detailed records of all release activities. Document release plans, schedules, tasks, and post release reviews. Use ServiceNow documentation features to store and manage this information centrally, ensuring all stakeholders have access to accurate and up to date documentation. Then, foster collaboration and communication. Encourage open communication and collaboration among all teams involved in the release. Use collaborative tools and regular meetings to ensure that development, testing, operations, and business teams are aligned. Encourage feedback and discussions to identify and address potential issues early. Use a release calendar. Plan and track all release using a centralized release calendar. Maintain a release calendar in the ServiceNow to schedule releases and avoid conflicts. This calendar should be accessible to all stakeholders and regularly updated to reflect changes. Then conduct thorough testing. Ensure all releases are thoroughly tested before deployment. Implement a robust testing process that includes unit tests, integration test, system test, and user acceptance test. Use automated testing tools to ensure comprehensive and consistent testing coverage. So that's all for this session. In my next video, I will explain service level management, which is also an operational module of ITSM. Thank you.